Hi, Namaste everyone. Welcome to Brainstorm Circus YouTube channel. Today I am going on with interesting topic. Imagine being lost, no food, no water, just your body, your mind and your will to live. Could you survive 3 days, a week? Would you know what to do or what not to do? Welcome to our survival series. In this episode, we break down the truth about going without food and water. Not myths, but science backed advice and field tested method. How long can humans go without food and water? Let's start with some science. Most healthy humans can survive up to 3 weeks without food if hydrated, about 3 days without water depending on environment. But these numbers vary. A person in the desert may die in hours from hydration. In cool climates, you might last longer. But it's not just time, it's how you act that matters. Let's see on screen. Timeline showing declines over 1 to 5 days without water. The signs of dehydration and starvation. When you stop drinking water, your blood volume drops, your organs slow down, the brain becomes foggy, your body tries to cool itself, but without sweat, heat builds up. Without food, your body first burns glucose, then fat, then muscle. Energy drops, thinking slowly, and decisions making suffers. Symptoms of dehydration: headache, dark urine, dizziness, confusion. Symptoms of starvation: weakness, muscle loss, mood swings, mental fag. What to do in the first 24 hours? Survival tip segment. In survival, your first decision are critical. Here's how to survive the first 24 hours without food and water. Find shed or shelter. Stay out of the sun. Preserve sweat. Don't lose water to heat. Number 2. Don't panic. Calm breathing conserves moisture. Panic leads to sweating and fast heart rate. Number 3. Limit movement. Rest during hot hours. Travel early morning or late evening. Number 4. Avoid food at first. Eating without water speeds dehydration. Conserve your body resources. Survival is the waiting game. Next, how to stay alive without water. Water is the number one priority. If there is none in sight, nature has ways to give it to you. Ways to find water in the wild. Number 1. Collect dew. Use cloth to wipe grass in the morning. Solar still. Dig hole. Put plastic sheet cup in the center. Look for life. Birds, insects, green trees often mean water. Dig in dry river beds. Water may be under the sand. Avoid salt water, stagnant ponds and urine. These do more harm than good. On screen you can see step by step by building solar still. How to stay alive without food. Going without food is tough, but it won't kill you in a day or even a week. The key: conserve energy and avoid digestive stress. Tips for going without food: frequently rest, avoid activity that burns calories, don't eat plants unless you are 100% sure there is edible. Chew on clean bark or herbs only for comfort, not nutrition. There is a fun fact. Mahatma Gandhi survived 21 days with water but no food. You are stronger than you think if you stay smart. Deadly mistakes to avoid. Top survival mistakes: drinking salt water kills faster, eating unfamiliar plants, some are toxic, eating food without water, walking in heat of day, drinking urine. Popular myth: this is not safe. In many real cases, people survived longer than expected, but only if they avoided these deadly mistakes. Sometimes not doing the wrong thing is important than doing the right thing. And then final tips and mental strategies. Survival is more mental than physical. People who survive share one thing in common. They don't give up. Mental tactics. Break time into goals. Survival the next hour. Control your breathing. Keep your mind busy. Write in dirt, talk out loud. Think about loved ones. Motivation helps. Signaling tips. Build a big help sign from rocks. Use reflective items for signaling. Smoke signals are 3 fires in triangle pattern. If you remember just one thing, you can live without food and water, but only if you slow down, stay calm and listen to your body. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you understand survival better, please give it a like, share it with a friend and subscribe for more real world survival tips. And let us know in the comment what's one survival skill you want to master next. Thank you. Have a nice day.